Hi guys, so for today's hairstyle, I'm going to do a pretty half down hairstyle, perfect for any occasion, and I've just added my Foxy Locks extensions. So I'm going to start off by doing a lace braid. So I've just parted my hair in a deep parting, and then you just want to cross your outer strands over the middle strand. Now to do a lace braid, you only want to add hair to one side, so I'm just going to add it along my hairline. So I'm just going to add a small section of hair to the middle strand, and cross the top strand over this, and the bottom strand over this. Again, add a small section of hair to your middle strand, cross the top strand over this and the bottom strand over this. So again, add a section of hair to your middle strand, cross your top strand over this and your bottom strand over this. I'm just going to continue doing this till I reach my ear. So now that I've reached my ear, I'm just going to change the position of my hands, and I just did one or two normal braided stitches, and then I began adding hair to the top strand, and I just crossed this over to the middle and the bottom strand over to the middle. So again, add a section of hair to your top strand, cross this over to the middle, don't add any hair to the bottom strand, and cross this over to the middle. Again, add a section of hair to your top strand, cross this over to the middle, and don't add any hair to the bottom strand, just cross this over to the middle. If you reach the opposite side of your head, you just want to continue to do a regular 3-strand braid. And then you just want to finish your braid off, and then I just went ahead and tied mine, and I just pancaked it a little bit. I just pulled on the edges just to give it a more messy and soft look. Then when you're happy with how your braid looks, just bring it back, and we're just going to tuck it up underneath our lace braid, and we're going to try and hide our ends underneath this too. So I'm just tucking my ends up underneath my braid, and I'm just going to pin these in place. And there we have a pretty half down hairstyle, perfect for every day or a special occasion. So I hope you liked this tutorial guys, and if you did, as always, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more tutorials from me. And if you do have any video requests, just leave a comment down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!